Okay, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part one. Do you work or study?
No, I am a housewife and I stay at home and take care of my family.
All right. What seasons do you have in your country?
In my country, we have usually have four seasons: winter, autumn, summer, and
Spring.
spring.
Okay. Which is your favorite season and why?
Winter is my favorite season because in summer we don't get. In summer, we I'm not a very I feel not comfortable in heat.
I don't feel
I
comfortable.
don't feel comfortable in heat, so I like winter season and days are short and nights are long. So I like that season.
Okay. What do you like to do in this season?
In winter, okay, I usually like the night time of this season. So I sleep a lot in this season and cook a very soup and cook delicious foods.
All right. Is your country popular with tourists in every season?
No, usually people visit in summer season mostly because in northern areas the weather in summer season is so cool and good. So tourists usually visit in summer season.
Okay, that's good. Overall answers are fine. Just focus. And when you talked about your favorite season, like when you talked about seasons in your country, try to make separate sentences, like one sentence for summer, one for winter, one for spring, one for autumn, and combine them together. Now we move on to speaking part two. Describe a piece of equipment in your home that is important to you. It can be washing machine, it can be microwave oven, dishwasher, or any other piece of equipment in your home that is important to you. Okay,
Okay.
so you can talk about anything, whatever you want to, please.
This is nowadays the technology has improved and the new modern equipments are facilitating the people's, but especially I talk about a refrigerator fridge system. This is very important for every family. This is the every family
Uses.
uses refrigerator system in their home. In even in summer and winter, in both seasons we can use this refrigerator system to preserve our foods and other drinks as well. So I also use have in my home and use my refrigerator system to store my food and other
Carry
things.
on, carry on. It's less than a minute. Okay, listen, when you're speaking, don't give reference of other people.
Okay.
And number two, you have to be specific. Talk about the refrigerator in your house. Don't just say refrigeration system. System is like cold storage, they have refrigeration system. But in your house, you might have a refrigerator. So talk about your refrigerator, when you bought it, how you use it, how good it is, how useful it is. And you spoke for 50 seconds only. So try to expand your talk. And in part two, you must be specific. Let's go on. What are the most popular electronic devices in your country at the moment?
At the moment, mobile phones are the most popular devices in our country, because this the use of mobile devices are very common now. Everyone
Everyone owns.
owns a mobile phone and get the benefits or advantages of
Okay, which
using it.
sort of devices do you think will become popular in the future?
Devices with the highest technology will become the most popular in our country in some coming years. So, sir, devices बताने.
Yeah, exactly. Which sort of devices do you think will become popular in the future? You say all the communication related devices will become very popular in the
Popular in the
future, like mobile phones,
mobile
laptops, tablets, and all
communication.
that. Okay, do you think electronic devices make life easier or more difficult?
I think yeah, these devices make the life of everyone so easier. They can everyone connect with each other, and we can get the many news over through these devices. We can see the current affairs of our country and communicate. Even we can communicate with internationally in all
Yeah,
over
we
the
can
world.
communicate with people internationally as well. So overall, it's good, but focus the content of your answer. and then focus compound sentences mainly in grammar. Looking at your overall performance at present, I will rate you at 6 so that you work hard. Although with this type of speaking, usually you get 6.5. Right? Thank you.